Hello again, class. As you now know, I'm writing my GEMDIS, so I don't forget to use my proper order of operations, G grouping, which is brackets and parentheses, E exponents, then multiplication division, which have equal power. That means we work them left to right, and then add, subtract. After we get everything else done, we do adding and subtracting. And when that's all we have left, they also have equal power. And so we work those left to right as well. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at number 15. The school math coach takes an inventory of math materials. He counts the material for 5 different classes. Each class has 7 boxes of 10 pattern blocks. Okay, so 7 boxes of 10 pattern blocks, 6 boxes of 9 rulers, and 3 boxes of 2 calculators. Okay, which expression shows the number of math materials? Okay, so let's take a look at this. Okay, so we have 5 classes, and then each class has. Okay, that means we need to, whatever we need to do, we need to multiply everything within the classes by 5 to figure out what we have. So I'm just going to write what I see here. 5 classes times, and then I'm going to do bracket parentheses 7 times 10 plus 6 times 9 plus 6 times 9 plus 3 times 2. Okay, and if we see one written just like that, that would be our answer. So 5 times, because we have different classes, so we cannot add, right? And we're not going to divide, right? We're trying to find the total number of math materials, like in all classrooms, okay? So A looks just like what I wrote. 5 times, right? We have times, which is what we want. 7 times 10, because there are 7 boxes, 10 patterns, 6 boxes of 9 rulers, and 3 boxes of 2 calculators. Okay, so A is right. C is just a big mess. There's no brackets, there's no organization. It's just not put together properly, and so our answer would be wrong, because we need groups to do each operation separately before we add them together and then multiply by 5. So C is out, B is out, and D is out. So the answer is A. Let's look at 16. At the beginning of the year, the teacher's supply closet contained 250 markers. Okay, that's at the beginning of the year. In September, 5 sets of 6 black markers, 4 sets of 5 red markers, and 6 sets of 3 yellow markers were used. Okay, that means we started with 250. Then we used 5 sets of 6, 4 sets of 5, and 6 sets of 3. So which expression shows the number of markers left? Okay, so we start with 250. That's what we started at. Okay, and we're going to subtract our groupings. Okay, and our groupings would be 5 sets of 6, so that would be 5 times 6. 4 sets of 5, 4 sets of 5, and 6 sets of 3. 6 times 3. Okay, and then we would have our final bracket. Okay, so we are we're not adding, so A is out. B took 250 minus 5 times 6. We can't take 250 markers, subtract 5 sets, and then multiply them by 6. That's not a workable solution. Okay, C, we're adding, and they didn't say we got more markers. They said we uh, used markers. So C is out. And D looks like just what I wrote. 250 minus 5 times 6 plus 4 times 5 plus 6 times 3. So D is our best answer. D is our best answer. Okay, I'll be back in a moment to work 17 and 18. Thank you.